This is an operational and one-year review video on the Fellow 70S paper shredder. The top light to the left will turn on if you feed too much into the shredder, the light below turns on when you don't have the bin in all the way, and the bottom light turns on when the motors get too hot. You push the switch on the right up to feed paper into the shredder, and then back to reverse it out if you accidentally feed too much in. And keep the switch in the middle if you don't want it ready to shred at all times. Now on the side there is a red switch to lock the front switch out to prevent it from working, which might be smart to use if you're trying to clear a paper jam and your fingers are close to the rollers. And on the back there is a switch to cut the power off to everything. Now I've had this for several years and it still works great, but you can feed in too much paper and it's not that easy to clear sometimes. Most of the time you can just push reverse on the switch and it will back it out, but other times it will get stuck like I'm showing here. So when this happens to me, I just pull the paper over either way and push the switch forward and reverse until it chews through the paper enough to rip it out. Then if it's still clogged after that, I'll check below the rollers to see if I can pull anything out that way, and if not, I'll slowly feed small pieces of paper through until it clears the jam. I will also keep an eye on the window to watch for the bin to get full, and when it does, I'll pull the bin out to empty it in a box for burning later. Then I will continue shredding all the mail that I've received during winter, hoping the motors would warm up enough to trigger the temperature warning light, but that hasn't happened yet. So I have not regretted this purchase at all and would recommend to anyone I know to not hesitate to buy one of these, assuming they can get a decent price.
Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.